Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to add trees in Blender with free add-on. After starting Blender, we can go to Edit and Preferences, and then go to Get Extensions. We can search Easy Tree, and then click Install to install this free add-on. After installing, we can close this panel and then go to the side panel. We can click small arrow to show the side panel, and then go to Easy Tree tag, and then we can find the Easy Tree option. For example, we can keep the presets to small and keep the season in spring and add the tree. I change the angle to variate, and also we have the model. If we change to material preview, we can see the material green in leaf and the wooden texture in trunk. Now, if you want to change the shape of the tree, we can select the tree and go to Modifier Properties. And then we have the option to change the tree. For example, I enlarge the Modifier Properties, and we can change the branches from 2 to 3. I keep it in 2. And we can change the trunk height. And we can change the tree top height. Number of levels of the branch length. We have many options to change the tree shape. You can play around it. If you want to make a movement in the animation, we can check the box green, and we can change the setting here, and then if we keep the default setting, we can play to preview it. So this is a good add-on to add a tree. We can have many presets. We can change to tall, and we can change to summer to add the tree. And we can move it here. And we can change presets to thin and add the flow season tree and add the tree here. So this is how we can add trees in Blender with free add-on. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.